Okay, in this presentation I'm going to go over this Capstone project proposal and the project summary. My project's going to be for a health and fitness website. Its homepage will have a blog for fresh content for SEO purposes, and there'll be another page to showcase my programming skills via an app. And I plan on using C# as the technology for that. And it'll simply be a diet and exercise suggestion program. So somebody will be able to put in for various variables, and then the program will suggest something that they can use to implement to reach their goals. And then there'll be another page for my contact information. Again, like I said, I'll be using C# and HTML and CSS for the structure and design. I might utilize some Bootstrap at some point. The first objective to come up with a design and structure. So that'll be the first phase and one of the most probably time-consuming phases. Other than the programming phase, which anybody that's programmed knows that can take up some time trying to troubleshoot bugs and whatnot. The second objective, come up with the data, the back-end portion. So what am I going to be outputting to the user after they input their information? The third objective, taking that information, everything from the above portion, and putting that into code that makes sense. So the objectives right here, I already went over those, but there's a slide showing specifically what I intend to do and the due dates, the October 7th, 21st, and December 1st. I know the due date is December 3rd for the whole project, but why not get it done earlier? So if problems do arise, I have plenty of time to troubleshoot. The budget, I don't anticipate a lot, but I'll have $100. I want to go under that. I don't wish to purchase a domain for over $50, domain name that is. And hosting, I don't want to go over $30 a month. Here's some of my qualifications. I have some programming experience over the last several years. Again, when I was going to community college, most of my experience was with C#, but I also have experience with PHP, Java, a little bit of JavaScript, and using Bootstrap. Here's a project charter, which I'll upload in the with the files that I upload for this assignment for the proposal, and some basic hand-drawn wireframes that I'll use. Nothing fancy. I'm not going into specifics on design, but right there you can see my sub menu. This is for the blog portion page, the home page, and then how I'll lay out the app. So there'll be some drop boxes so people can select, their height, their weight, the desired physique, or the fitness goals, and then obviously the diet plan, specific diet plans like keto, paleo, Atkins, whatever their diet plan. I'll have some choices for them to select, and then they can submit, and then some information will be returned for suggestions on what they can do to reach their goals. And that's the conclusion of the project proposal.